Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime. And this evening we are on our way inside of Walmart to see what kind of deals we can get tonight. So stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so we just got back in from Walmart. We ended up going to the Walmart that's a little bit further from us because they usually have better markdowns. The Walmart by me is very busy and they never have anything marked down. I might find like a small little clamshell of salad that might be marked down, but that would be it. You really don't find a lot of good deals at the Walmart by me. So we decided to travel a little bit and go to a different one. And yeah, we did find some good things. So let's get started. Hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys. So these here are I've gotten these a few times already, and my family really enjoys them. My husband's Italian, and he's very picky with his like lasagnas and anything like that, and I'm kind of picky with the sauce. So finding this here, I actually found this one time at Aldi's and we bought it and it was almost $15, I think. And so we found them at Walmart and these were marked down, I think $13 and change, so they were like $1 or $2 cheaper than Aldi. So we did get two of them, and these are going to be really good. We don't eat them right, all at once. We'll probably have one this week and maybe one at the end of the week, so we kind of span it out a little bit. And then we got some Texas toast. I got two of those to go with the lasagna. And then we got this Blue Plate real mayonnaise. I don't know if I've ever tried this one before, but I know hubby said that this was a pretty good deal. So we did get that. Got some cottage cheese. We love our cottage cheese. I have frozen fruit, frozen blueberries, and frozen strawberries in the freezer. So we just kind of put that with the cottage cheese and some honey and cinnamon at night for like a little dessert. This is kind of like a dessert for us. And it's great for protein. If you're kind of trying to keep track of your proteins and whatnot, if you're like dieting, this is a pretty good protein source. So got that. Got our bag of mandarin oranges, which you got to be so careful at Walmart. I'll tell you, they had a 5-pound bag marked for $3.97, and I'm like, wow, that's a phenomenal deal. And I started going through the bags looking for a good bunch because I don't know why there was a lot of bad ones in there. And then hubby walked over and he's like, well, why are they in two different spots? And then we looked at the tags and they had the 5-pound bag of mandarins with the marking of the 3 pounds. So I would have been very upset had I gotten overcharged for these. So we did get the right ones, and these were like $3.97. These I love to have at night. Also, for a little snack or dessert or whatever. If you just feel like you need something sweet, they're wonderful to have. Hubby got some Gatorades. He's now drinking the Gatorades. And I can't really read that. Okay, the lime cucumber. That's probably really good. So he got those, and then he got orange ones. So he's gotten two of these. These are expensive. I personally wouldn't buy them, but I know that my family likes them, so. And we didn't have any beverages in my house. The only thing we had were coffee and milk. So we definitely need to get some drinks in the house, that's for sure. And then I have some white mushrooms. Mushrooms are very good for you, so I'm trying to incorporate those in our meals at least once a week. And what is this? This is a cherry almond gorgonzola salad. tried to get some good salads because they were marked down. I think they were $3 and change per bag. So I kind of stocked up on some salads. And this looks pretty good. I don't want to touch the plastic too much. I know that it bothers some people that are our viewers, so I'll try not to touch the plastic too much. But this is what it has in there. And I thought that was a really good deal. And then we have this one here. The salad here is the sunflower bacon crunch. And that's what it has in those. Then I got a 5-pound bag of potatoes because I've been buying the instant potatoes, but it's just such a ripoff. It's like $1 something a bag, and it's literally, you have to buy like 2 or 3 of them just for one meal to be able to feed your family. So I said enough of that. I'm gonna try and be more organized with my dinner. So I got 5 pounds of potatoes. Then we got these Bolt House baby cut carrots. They looked really good. Got 2 bags of those. Got my coffee with cinnamon. You know I have to have my coffee when we come home. Got some imperial margarine. I have butter, really good butter in the refrigerator, and I cringe every time I have to use it for cooking. So I got this for cooking basically. And I buy this because it doesn't have the cholesterol in it. So then I got 2 bags of the bacon Caesar. I was really happy about that. These were marked down a little bit and they don't expire until the 29th. So we got 2 bags of that. And then we got the green tea Arizona. Green tea is good for you if you're watching your cholesterol. It helps you, lower your cholesterol. So we got some green tea, iced tea. And we got some sweet bell peppers. Gonna make those with some rice and some ground beef and basically like a stuffed pepper, but not. It's gonna, it'll be a stuffed pepper, but I always make a lot of extra filling, so it's at least two nights meals for us, so that'll be good. Then we got these again. I got these the last time we went, and they were a good deal, and surprisingly, they are marked down again. So that's a wonderful, these are wonderful to have, especially if you just want to grab and go for lunches and stuff. These were only like $2 and change per bag, so I thought they were wonderful. You know, hubby can just grab one of these bags and a bag of salad, and he can have lunch really quick and easy, or I can use them for dinner. So we ended up getting the rotisserie chicken one. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then we got the fajita chicken. I got 5 of those. So that's pretty good. So we got 9 chicken bags or whatever. And they're fully cooked, and you just have to take them out and put them in your salad, or make a couple of sides to go with it, some potatoes or whatever, and a veggie, and you're good to go. Got some cranberry juice. This I like to have on hand because I just add it with my water, and it's wonderful. Got some apple juice for hubby. Hubby likes the apple juice. This was expensive, guys, but I have to use Cascade because if I use any other brand, my dishes do not come clean. I don't know what it is. And it's happened with 2 different dishwashers that we've had. So I don't know. How are you guys with your dish detergent, dish tabs or whatever for your dishwasher? Because I tried using the Aldi tabs, and I'll tell you, they just did not work as well. I ended up having to rewash a quarter of the dishes that are in there. So it's not worth it in the end. I just said, I'm going to bite the bullet, and from now on, just get the Cascade. And these were the cheapest ones, so ended up getting that. And there's 78 in there, but it was like $19 and change for that, which is cringe. I cringe when I have to buy these, but, that's, at least 2 months worth of dish tabs. So we should be pretty good there. And that is our order for today. I'll get my receipt. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. So how much do you think I spent? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think I spent. And if you think I got a good deal on anything here. Here's our receipt. Yeah, see the dish tabs were $19.94. Gatorades, iced tea, the apple juice, cranberry juice, the oranges, carrots, peppers. Yeah, the fully cooked chickens were $2.94 a bag. So that's a really good deal. You know, especially if you just want something on the go. And what else do we have? The salad kits, $3.37. I thought that was a good deal. They're usually like $4.99. I don't know. The bag salads are usually pretty high. Excuse me. And lasagnas were $13.24, which is a little pricey, but you know, like I said, my husband swears by them. He loves them, so it's definitely worth it. And it's cheaper than Aldi, I believe. I'll have to double check the next time I'm in Aldi's, but I think they're close to $15. Garlic toast, more bag salads. All right, guys, leave your comment down below. How much do you think everything was? $140.11, guys. Money does not go very far. Oh, I was like, what is the tax on? It must be the drinks and the Cascade, maybe. I'm like, why am I getting taxed? But I forgot I had the Cascade. And I don't know if the sugary drinks, they're probably, like the Gatorades, that's probably taxed. But yeah, $140.11. But we did get 9 different, let me unzoom you a little bit. We did get 9 of these, so that's at least 9, minimum 9 meals. And then the lasagna is at least 2 different meals. So it's like 11 meals. Yeah, 11 meals. So that's not too terrible, I guess. And yeah, so I know groceries are not getting any cheaper. They just keep going up. So it's wise to stock up when you see something marked down a little bit, because you got to kind of try and save where you can. Hopefully some of the prices are going to start going down. I heard that beef is going to start going down, coffee, and bananas. Something to do with the tariffs. Trump did something where he lightened the tariffs or something. So those prices should be coming down soon, because they were a little crazy, to say the least, especially the beef. And you walk down the meat case and it's like it's horrifying to see the prices of even the Great Value ground beef. It's crazy, crazy, crazy prices. So I try and skip it. It's almost cheaper to be a vegan right now. You know. But all right, guys, well, if you like this kind of video, please leave a comment down below. Hit the like button and the bell notification so you can be notified the next time we put a video up. And I'm going to be putting another video up shortly of a budget meals for the week. And so hopefully that one will be put up in a couple of days. So I should have 2 grocery hauls, this one and then another one in a couple of days. So stay tuned. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching and stay blessed.